The next step in creating our drawing is to draw lines that are tangent to the circles. In order to detect tangency locations, we'll first have to display the Object Snap toolbar by positioning the cursor in the standard toolbar area and then clicking the right mouse button. We'll now click on the Object Snap option to display this toolbar. Before we'll draw any lines, we'll now make sure that only the Grid and Model options are turned on in the status bar area at the bottom of the screen. We are now ready to draw the lines, so we'll click on the line icon. Next, we'll select the Snap to Tangent option in the Object Snap toolbar. As you can now see, a tangency indicator is displayed as we position the cursor over the circle prior to selecting this location as the first end of the line. We'll now again select the Snap to Tangent option in the Object Snap toolbar, followed by clicking on the other circle. In order to end the line command, we'll right-click the mouse and select the Enter option. To draw the next line, we'll repeat the process of selecting the line option, followed by clicking on the Snap to Tangent option prior to defining each end of the line, and then right-clicking the mouse and selecting the Enter option. The next step is to draw circles that are tangent to the existing circles. We'll start this process by first clicking on the circle icon and then clicking the right mouse button in order to display the option menu. In the option menu, we'll now select the Tangent, Tangent, Radius option. Now we'll click on the two circles as shown here after we see the tangency indicator. To finish the definition of the circle, we'll now key in a 50 to define the radius of the circle. We'll now repeat this process in order to define another circle that has a radius of 40 and is tangent to the two circles as shown here.